Over the last 2 years, we've seen a surge in construction and renovation demand. To meet expectations, we had to increase our production schedule and grow the team. It was a challenge. Our ability to deliver quality products depends on our skills and experience as plant workers. So when we added over 10 people to our team last year, it was no easy task. But Poka made it possible. Poka is an app that keeps us connected and provides access to digital work instructions and training directly on the shop floor. We can access our skills and training assignments through our profile pages anytime, anywhere. Poka's been a game changer for us. The platform not only helps bring our new coworkers up to speed much faster, but it also allows all of us to acquire new skills continuously. Having the ability to grow and share our knowledge means that, as a team, we can cover each other and step in if there are any sudden personnel changes. The easy-to-use platform helps me solve problems, stay connected, and most importantly, get better every day. Without Poka, I would never have been able to learn new skills this quickly and get promoted less than 2 years after being hired.